Quick looky-loo at this Varmilo linear switch. Probably basically impossible to make out on video, but it does say Varmilo right there. This is another switch that Mechanical Bionicle handed to me at KeyCon. It's just a pretty regular linear, except, hey, no contacts, but it does have a metal guillotine blade. And so I dubbed the Varmilo guillotine switch. Let me take her open for you. Yep, nice long linear coil, spring, top housing, bottom housing, nothing terribly interesting, but then the slider has a guillotine blade built in. I don't need to hold it, it's built in. It's like firm, I can't yank it out easily. I haven't tried super hard, but like, man, that's funky. I hope you've enjoyed the Varmilo guillotine switch. Oh, and the rails are built into the top housing, not the bottom.